Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thank you for joining me here today. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character, the soldier, from the game Team Fortress 2. Before we get started, please go ahead and leave a like, a comment, maybe subscribe if you're new here. It would be really awesome if you would. Alright, so let's start drawing the soldier. So I'm going to start with a bit of a slanted line, and then we're going to do a nose right here. So it's kind of like we came on down, and then did like a little bump, and then came on back up. Next, let's do a mouth. So I'm just going to kind of do like a straight line. It's coming down a little bit there. So he's not very impressed with whatever's going on around him. Okay, so next we can do the shape of the face. Come on down here a little bit on both sides. And then he's got like a strong chin. Alright, so now we can do a little bit of an ear on that side and on the other. And now I'm going to extend this line a little bit and then curve. And over here we're going to do the same thing. And now we can draw the top of the helmet. So it's going to be a really rounded top here. Bring this line down. So you can see that this is not a totally straight line. We curve and then we're coming outward a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to work on the neck, and he's got like a really thick neck. So coming on with a line here and right here. See, great big thick neck. So now I'm going to do a little line here. It's going to be the start of the undershirt. We don't see very much of it. And then we can do a line slanting upward. And then it's going to come around here or behind the neck. I'm going to come out this way into a bit of a point and then come on down right here. Now we can bring this line up and do a bit of a point here. And bring this line here. Okay, so next I'm going to do a little line here, and we can work on the shoulder over on this side. Bring the line kind of slanting downward a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to do a little line this way. And then eventually I'm going to start on this arm, but I'm not there yet. So over here, he's got some like grenades on his strap to his chest. So let's draw those. I'm gonna draw like a rounded kind of a barrel shape, and then come on up with a little top, and then I'm gonna come down with like a little, almost like a little handle sort of thing. As of right now, it kind of just looks like it would be like a jar of syrup or something, but it's definitely not. So we're going to do a little line here. It's kind of curving, helps to give the grenade that rounded shape if we're curving a line here. I'm going to do that again, and again, and again. Now we're going to do another one. So same thing. We're going to do another little handle sort of thing, and this rounded barrel kind of shape, and then the top. And it doesn't have to look exactly like the first one. I know mine doesn't look exactly like the first one, but it's okay. We're just drawing and having fun. And practice makes perfect. All right, so right here, I'm gonna do a little line curving, and right here, and actually, before we go ahead with the rest of the like sash, I know it's not called a sash, I'm not sure what it's really called, but before we continue with that, I'm gonna work a bit over here on the arm. So I'm gonna bring a line down, and it's kind of going off the page. That's okay. Bring a little line down here, and then we're working on that arm. So I'm coming inward a bit, and then curving, coming down a little bit, and curving again. Now right here, I'm going to do a rounded shape. So this would be like a circle here, but we don't see the full thing by the way that his arm is slanted. And now we can do a hand. So we can do a thumb, and come on over this way, and do a finger, and then another one, and then the rest is off the page. That's okay. All right, so right here, I'm gonna bring a line down a bit, and now we're gonna finish up this part. So I'm gonna bring this line all the way to right there. And I'm gonna put another line right here, and right here. And coming on down this way. But I'm not gonna complete this line right here because I'm gonna put something else right here. Let's do a like upside down U shape, and then close that part off. Now we're gonna go over this way, come on down, and do like 2 rectangles. Now we can do a line here, here, and here, and then come on down with another line and another one, and come on up, go on over, bring that line down, and then right here we've got like a little rectangle here on the bottom. Alrighty, so right here, let's bring a line down. You can see I kind of came inward a bit, and now I'm going to do like a belt. So I'm kind of coming up and connecting to this shape that we just made, and then bringing this line down a bit and doing the same thing. Now this, I'm going to bring a line down here, and then over, and then up, and then bring a line down. We got like a little bit of a triangle happening here, and then bring this line over here and bring a line down. Now right here, I can bring a line down, and right here, got like a upside down U shape, and bring a line down right there. So now we need the other arm. So I'm going to start with the shoulder and do a little line here, and then come on in and outward a bit, and then in a bit, and then curve, and then we've got like the cuff of the sleeve. So now we can do a thumb and a finger, and then the rest is kind of just off the page, and that's okay. All right, so right here, I'm gonna bring a line up. Okay, so now we are finished our drawing, and I'm gonna start coloring. All right, we are finished our drawing. Thank you very, very much for drawing with me today. And I really hope you have a great day. And I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, go have a great day. Goodbye.